Hi guys, my name is Mykola and I'm the project manager from Action Home Services. And today we're gonna talk about retaining walls and why they fail. Have you ever heard of saying, I'm not that rich to buy cheap things? Guess what? It works in construction too. So the main purpose of retaining wall is to surprisingly retain the soil. Soil collects moisture. Moisture combusts and create a pressure on your wall. This type of pressure in specific called hydrostatic pressure. And there are certain ways, I would say the key components, how to eliminate such issues. And the first and most important step in every construction is a proper base. When we talk about the wall 2 feet and higher, we definitely suggest to use a concrete stripe together with the concrete footing, which gonna go 4 feet below the ground level. This is a standard frosting point in northern and southern Ontario. Next item would be a gravel. So every time behind the retaining wall, we should excavate a small pocket approximately 2 feet in width. Sometimes 1 foot is enough as well, and fill it with the gravel. Gravel goes on top of a special landscaping fabric, which will help to prevent gravel being mixed with the soil. Next, essential item, just the most important, is to maintain drainage. To remove the pressure from our area, we will need to install a flexible pipe, which will run on the slope and will gently and carefully remove the water behind the wall. And of course, one of the most important items as well is a geograte. So as soon as you reach the 3rd level of your retaining wall and you still have 1 or more levels above, we'll always install a geograte. This is a plastic-based material with the holes in it, and as soon as the gravel gets inside those holes, by natural grip of the gravel, this grit gonna support the wall and keep it solid. This is pretty much everything. Trust us and we're not gonna let you down.